Hello, we are the team of Smart Street. I will give you a demonstration on how our project works. The first thing we will read the code was to declare the variables used in the sensors. First, a long variable for the duration, and an integer type for the distance registered. We later give each pin a function, where they acted as inputs or outputs, mostly being inputs, due to the fact that the sensors will be changing between inputs and outputs.
Thing our code executes is the ultrasonic sensor as an output, where a pulse is emitted. Later, that same pulse bounces back and re-enters the sensor as an input signal. Based on the time it took the pulse to re-enter the sensor, it is calculated what the distance is between the sensor and the object from the pulse it bounced with. This is repeated 3 times, one for each sensor. The next step in the code is a combination of else and else functions where the values of the distance are captured and compared between each other. And it starts the code of the traffic light beginning with the one of the closer distance, meaning an increasing value.
As you can see in the simulation, when the distances are placed this way, the LEDs are lit up from left to right. But when we change the distances, the sequence of the LEDs changes to 1, 3, 2. If we move the distances again, the sequence changes to a 3, 2, 1. And if we continue to move the distances, the LEDs follow a 2, 1, 3. And finally, the last configuration will be a 2, 3, 1. In order for the lights to change, we use the LEDs as outputs that receive a high or low instruction depending on the sequence they are going to follow, accompanied by delays to give enough time for the cars to pass through.